All right, so we went on a road trip the other day, and the car started slow in the morning. Drove it about 2 miles, shut it off, wouldn't restart. So we tried to jump it, car wouldn't jump. It felt like a dead battery. Just a couple little clicks, the transmission service message came up, the dash went dim. The jumper was doing nothing for it. So I did some Google Foo, and a couple of people recommended checking the ground strap. The problem is the ground strap on this engine is under the car. It goes from basically the side of the transmission to the frame rail. You really can't get at it unless you have a jack and jack stands. These cars don't have jacks because they have run flats. Fortunately, I had another car to try to jump it with, and it still wasn't doing anything. So then I decided to try grounding the block to the radiator support to see if it was the ground strap. And as soon as I hooked the cables up to these exposed bolts, it threw spark, which told me I did have a bad ground. So I ran the jumper cable from the block to the radiator support. Car started right up. So I lightly closed the hood, crept it up the street a little, and my dad had a garden shed up there. And I went in the shed and I found a bucket of bolts. I found a piece of Romex, an old metal file, an adjustable wrench, and decided to do a little emergency roadside repair. So there's a hole in this little frame rail here, and you can put a nut and bolt through it, which is what I did. And if this camera focuses. So nut and bolt with 2 washers. You can see where I just wrapped the stripped copper around it. And then there is a empty hole, an unused hole in the block over here. And I ended up finding a bolt that fit it. I put a larger nut behind the bolt because that is a blind hole, and I didn't want to crack the block by over tightening it. I happened to find that bolt in the random bucket of bolts. But you could also take out one of these radiator support bolts. These fit as well. Again, this is just an emergency roadside repair to get home. So I bolted the cable to the block, bolted the cable to the frame after I scraped the paint off it. Car started right up, drove an hour and a half home, and now I have it in my garage where I can order the correct BMW part. But if you're ever stranded somewhere and you have access to some really basic stuff, even if you went to a parts store and bought a ground strap and that size bolt and a nut and bolt, you can get the car home. So that's how I did it.